I mean, it's Oxford. It's so crazy that I'm in the Oxford University. This is like a university you kind of just like hear about.
Indigo is absolutely a unique program because direct one-on-one mentorship, I think that's very difficult to come by.
Indigo is a one-of-a-kind program that is taking 3 elements that makes it possible for students to grow academically, professionally, and personally, so that they are able to engage and be curious with the world to help solve today's problems.
This is something that you won't find anywhere else.
This is something that's very, very valuable for our students.
Welcome to Indigo. We are here in Oxford, taking advantage of this, let's be honest, centuries-long tradition of academic pursuits and excellence. We are inspiring the students because they are here where legends have been born, and we want them to think about, where could I fit in that amazing history? We want them to be able to come up with a research paper. So we are taking them through the entire process, and they will find what is passionate for them, choose that research question, and go to pursue it through to the end.
Within 2 weeks, we build all the academic skills that are required for research. They get to experience the actual Oxford University experience, and at the same time, they finish the program and they complete it by actually having a paper that is almost ready to be submitted.
When an Indigo student finishes their paper, many of them will submit their paper for publication in peer-reviewed journals, and in turn they will also have the opportunity to present on their paper at an academic conference and potentially receive college credit. This is actually extremely valuable for their profiles when they apply to university.
So I have seen students growing through this program from building and strengthening their confidence in an academic university setting, from exploring territories that possibly they wouldn't explore before.
I think that this experience has really been immersive and a great opportunity because of our mentors who definitely improved my research skills.
Honestly, the classes are really great. The people here are really, really nice, and I've told the friends that I made here that this is definitely the best summer program I've done.
There's nothing you won't enjoy, really, because it's the simulation of like a university-style experience.
I think the highlight of it all was probably like the people I met here, different like experiences, different backgrounds, and like we're still able to get so close in just a short like few days.
I think that diversity is always a great thing to have, and meeting so many people from different countries and being in a foreign country myself has let me see new perspectives in multiple ways of my life.
For those students who are really keen into exploring the research journey, I would say don't even think twice about applying for a program like this. You will get experience that you won't get even within the university setting.
Indigo is more than just learning. It's about transforming your perspective. Join us and pursue your academic dreams through research.